So it's amazing being here today. One of the incredible things about this conference is it's bringing people in government and decision makers around industry together to be able to understand the importance of the defence sector in the creation of jobs and within the industry.
There are young, small companies that have got amazing technology that are waiting for the signal from government, and they need that clarity now. That clarity is super important to help them build the teams, the technology, the supply chains that will really underpin the security of our nation for the long term.
So my contribution to this Brave New World event on board HMS Belfast has been to bring together experts from procurement, SMEs, government, to think how we can bring together a much more speedy procurement process for defence and security.
We are really interested for European dual-use defence companies to scale in the UK. First of all, we've got the market here, we've got the finance, we've got the talent, so there's no reason why they shouldn't come and scale in the UK.
We make autonomous sensor systems for really harsh environments, and for us, having the Unicorn Fund has been it's pivotal. It's actually changed everything we're doing. So we've gone from just being 2 staff a few years ago to within the last 6 months taking on 9 staff, new facilities, and actually placing orders with manufacturers in the UK.
In terms of cybersecurity firms and their trend upwards, we've only seen it grow exponentially since 2020 through 2025 into 2026, and we don't expect that trend to change anytime soon.
So private equity over the last few years have grown increasingly interested in aerospace and defence especially over the last 12-24 months. Historically, I think there were concerns around ESG themes with their investor base, but increasingly as part of our M&A processes over the last 12 months, there's been a lot more interest, both in terms of UK and US private equity to invest in the sector.
So the really important thing now is that government gets on with delivering the acquisition and choices that it set out in its defence review. That is to say, make acquisition decisions, commit to offtake for young startup companies and help them crowd in private finance to make this real.